class 4. Today in lecture 4 we are going to learn about subtraction, that is how to do subtraction. So here I will be solving few examples regarding subtraction, and then there will be few examples, means 4 to 5 questions in homework that you will be solving by yourselves. So we shall start with the subtraction part. Here is the question, starting from ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. So here are the two digits with us. It is 3,45,601, and we have to subtract 35,671. So how we will do the subtraction? In addition also we have learned we have to start from ones place. The same way here also we will be starting from the ones place, that is unit place. So let us start the subtraction. Here 1 and 1, but for addition we were starting from the bottom part. Here we will start from the top. So starting from here, 1 minus 1, is it possible? Yes, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now moving forward at tens place, 0 minus 7, not possible. So just do one thing, cut 0 and write 10 and borrow from here. So here 6 will become 5. Okay, so 10 minus 7 is possible, it is 3. Okay, moving forward, here is 5 and here is 6. Again the subtraction is not possible, so 5 will become 15 and this 5 will become 4. Okay, so 15 minus 6 is how much? That is 9. So 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Now moving forward at thousands place, here is 4 and here is 5. 4 minus 5 is not possible. So again we will make it as 14 and this 4 will become 3. Okay, 14 minus 5 is 9. Okay, 3 minus 3 is possible. 3 minus 3 is 0, and here 3 minus 0 is 3. Therefore the answer is equal to 3,09,930. Keep in mind that whatever answer, जो आंसर हमें मिल रहा है उस चीज को हम इस बॉक्स में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. Okay, whatever answer we get, we have to represent that thing in board. Again I am going through the examples, just focus on it. Here 1 and 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, 0 minus 7 is not possible, so 0 becomes 10 and here 6 becomes 5. Okay, we are borrowing 1 from here, that's why this 6 minus 1 comes here, it becomes 10 and here it becomes 5. So 10 minus 7 is 3. Here 5 minus 6 is not possible, so again we will borrow from here, it will become, we will cut it and here we will write 4 and this 5 will become 15. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. 4 minus 5 is not possible, so 4 will become 14 and 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. Here 4 becomes 3, 3 minus 3 is 0 and 3 minus 0 is 3. So the answer we get is 3,09,930. So this is first example of subtraction. Let us learn few more examples of subtraction. Now moving on to the second example. Here the same type of addition we are going to do. Nothing is different. The same way, the same manner. जिस तरह से हम सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं उसी तरह से हम इसका सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. पर हमें एक चीज याद रखनी है, नंबर है उसको हम पहले फोकस कर लेते हैं. व्हाट इज द नंबर ओवर हियर? 8,98,765 and the number is next number is 8,09,875. So अब हम इसका सब्ट्रैक्शन स्टार्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम वंस प्लेस. ओके, 5 minus 5 will give you 0. Okay, 5 minus 5 is possible, so it will give us 0. Here is 6 and here is 7. 6 minus 7 is not possible. उसका सब्ट्रैक्शन हम कर सकते हैं नहीं, right? So 6 becomes 16 and 1 we will borrow from here, so this 7 will become 6, right? 16 minus 7 is possible. 16 minus 7 is how much? 9. Okay, so here write down 9. Now moving forward, 6 and 8. 6 minus 8 is again not possible. So this 6 will become 16 and 1 we will borrow from here. So this 8 will become 7. Okay, this 8 will become 7. 16 minus 8 is 8. Okay, here is 7, here is 9. 7 minus 9 is not possible. So 7 becomes 17 and here 9 becomes 8 because 1 we need to borrow from this. So this 9 will give 1 to her and 9 will become 8. 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 is 8. It is 8. Okay. 8 and 0. 8 minus 0 is possible. So here it will be 8. Okay. Here 8 and 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0. What is the answer of us? Answer to us 88,890. Therefore, the answer of this question is 88,890. Okay. So here is our answer. Once again, let us go through the question. 5 minus 5 is 0. 6 minus 7 is not possible. So we will borrow from 7. This 7 will become 6 and 6 will become 16. Here 16 minus 7 will give us 9. This 7 has become 6. So 6 minus 8 is not possible, right? So 6 will become 17. How? We are borrowing 1 from 8. So 8 will become 7. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now here is 7. 7 minus 9 not possible. So we will borrow from 9. So cut down 9 and write 8. It has given 1 over here. So 7 will become 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. Here is 8 and here is 0. 8 minus 0 is possible. It will result as 8. And 8 minus 8 is 0. So the answer to us is 88,890. So this was question 2. Okay. Here is the third example. It is a bigger one. I have taken the number extension to 10 lakhs. So first of all I will go through the question. The question is 63 lakhs 54,785 and the next second number is 28 lakh 9,875. Here it will be an easier subtraction as I have taken the easy numbers. So starting from the ones place, 5 minus 5 will result 0. Okay. 8 minus 7 is possible. So 8 minus 7 will give us 1. 7 minus 8, that is not possible. Okay. So 7 minus 8 is not possible. So cut down 7. 7 will become 17. But how? We are borrowing a number from here and 4 becomes 3. So 17 minus 8 will be 9. Okay. Now 3 minus 9 is again not possible. So 3 will become 13 and this 5 will become 4. Okay. So 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. This 4 minus 0 is 4. Okay. 3 minus 8 is again not possible. So 3 will become 13 and this 6 will become 5. Okay. So 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. So what the answer we get is 35,44,910. Therefore, the answer is equal to 35,44,910. So this is the answer. What is the answer to us? 35,44,910. Once again I am going to the sum. Just look on the board. 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay. 8 minus 7 is possible. 8 minus 7 is 1. Okay. 17. 7 becomes 17. 4 will become 3. So 17 minus 8 is 9. 3 minus 9 is not possible. So borrow from 5. 5 will become 4. And 3 will become 13. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. 4 minus 0 will result us to 4. 13 minus 8 is 5. How? 3 minus 8 is not possible. So 3 will become 13 and 6 will become 5. So 13 minus 8 is 5 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is 35 lakh 44,910. So this was the topic about subtraction. I hope you are clear with this thing. There are few sums that I am going to give you in homework. Just try to do that thing. Thank you.